The physical office is not just a place of work and productivity. It's an enabler of culture, motivation, and joy. If you had the chance to purpose-build an office for the post-pandemic workforce, what would it look like?
Welcome to Korn Ferry. Every day we have the privilege of helping our clients with their biggest organization and people challenges.
So we had a people challenge of our own to solve recently. In our post-pandemic world, how do we create an office that is purpose-built for the new hybrid way of working? How do we create an office that our diverse teams want to come back to? A place that sets them up to connect, be inspired, and also give them a real sense of community.
Well, we've narrowed our answer to 3 key themes. The post-pandemic office of Korn Ferry should be one that empowers human connection, offers work-style flexibility, and prioritizes employee well-being.
We needed to give our team something that they can't get while working from home. A place to collaborate and connect with their colleagues and friends. As consultants with diverse backgrounds and expertise, we do our best work when we come together.
The office has been designed to nudge collaboration. It's been built as a beautiful loop with the World Cafe at the center of it all. Private offices have been removed, and colleagues are free to sit anywhere in the open plan, regardless of their business units. I love it when I see senior leaders at the firm sitting together with their management associates and collaborating.
I really like that our office has little huddle spaces placed everywhere so that we can have ad hoc discussions and meetings. And for our colleagues and clients that are working overseas, our meeting rooms are perfectly configured so that when we have these calls, it feels like they're in the room with us.
Our office is in a beautiful location, so I'm glad that we are able to enjoy the iconic views of Singapore throughout the workday. Our meeting rooms are all located in the center of the building, leaving the floor-to-ceiling windows unblocked so that we can get our daily boost of vitamin D. Our work tables are all height adjustable so that we can choose to sit or stand throughout the day. Our office pantry is stocked with healthy snacks, fruits and coffee for our energy boost when we need.
Imagine the workday of a typical professional. We come in early, get a few hours of focused work in a private workspace before jumping into meetings on calls with clients from all around the world. Our training and Zoom studios are fully teched out. Lights, cameras, and audio completely configured for an immersive experience. We huddle with our teams and get excited about the way forward. We host events and facilitate workshops, and when the day's done, we celebrate our success and our hard work together. The post-pandemic workday is a dynamic one, and I so love that our new workspace gives me and my team the flexibility and choice to do all of it in one wonderful, beautiful, great office.
So welcome to Korn Ferry, where we've reimagined the post-pandemic workspace for our unique business.